Alright, do you trust me?
Yep. Oh my! And communication. Okay.
Oh!
That's funny. What? Stop! Ah, I'm dying! I'm dying!
You're still not. Oh, you're. Oh!
Ding dong. Oh! Oh! And. Ew. Wait. One more time on that.
What's the hurry?
I'm having such a good time doing my Kai hangout. I love it. It's nice to learn what he's thinking, you know? It's nice to get inside his head, which is what I think is great about these hangout quests. It's empty. That's true, it is empty. Why did I just hear that?
Huh?
Why did I just hear that?
You're what? What are you talking about?
Sorry, you have a soundboard attached to your Discord? That is the dirtiest thing I've ever heard.
Wait, no, Discord has its own soundboards.
What?
Yeah.
It does? Cap,
Down,
I don't believe you.
Above the deafened. You haven't seen this feature?
No! Oh my gosh, that is so annoying. Annoying people on Discord just got 1,000 times more annoying.
Yeah, I mean, you can mute it, but...
Poop fart. So wait, you could add your own?
Yeah.
That's so fun. Okay, I'm about to be annoying.
Can't believe you didn't know this.
I didn't know. I use Discord for business purposes only. Only Corpa. Are you pulling for any Fontaine character? Yes. Chlorlind. I still don't know how to pronounce her name. Bosalor. And the judge, who I also can't remember his name. Chlorine. Maybe that's what I'll do. I'll just find a word that is similar. Nouvelette. New omelet. Oh, I also want the youngest brother. Firmament. That's good. Firmament, new omelet, and chlorine. That's what I'm pulling for. Hope that helps. Oh. Hey, listen.
Go through.
Oh, do what you're thinking about doing, Ed.
What are you talking about?
Orange just taught Blue a valuable lesson in trust. For that, Orange received 17 science collaboration points.
What?
You said I did well.
I do not think that is funny.
I'll go. No. Please let me back up. Pretty please. With the cherry on top. She's taunting me. I don't like where this is going.
What? I was just a little clumsy.
I don't need to trust you.
Just a little clumsy.
Okay. On to the next. Oh, careful.
Are you going or not?
I can't. I gotta go down.
Oh, I see.
Oh,
how did she even crush me with that? I don't get it.
Don't worry about it.
Very nice.
Oh.
Whoa, that was crazy how that almost happened.
I see what you're trying to do here.
That was a close call. Very dangerous.
Extremely.
Oh.
That's a little messed up.
That was actually an accident.
Uh-huh.
I bring a blanket. Mama, you want to get comfy? I'm gonna use this blanket too, okay? Nips. She's doing much better today. Bye, baby. No. It's too far to jump. That's too far to jump. Oh my gosh. Meow. She's growing up so fast.
For those of you in chat saying Jingwan has the longest hair care routine, you are blind. That man had birds living and crawling in there, so I know that scalp is filled with dirt and inflammation. And Jingwan is the type of man that goes to war, so he's like appearances don't matter when you are in war. I am Jingwan, shush smile.
That's true. He does have the bird situation. That is a fair observation, but it's just hard to believe that he has such luscious locks with no effort. It's just unfair, you know? Oh, wait. Oh no, I can't. It's not like I can climb up it. Don't crush me. Ah! Oh, thought it was over for me.
Okay, we're gonna do something very ingenious. You might die here though. Ready? 3, 2, 1, jump! Oh, nice.
Please, that sounds so surprised.
We do the same thing. Okay, 3, 2, 1, jump! Yeah!
Woo! Now, we're trying to get up to the top, right?
Yes.
So, we gotta kinda... Oh, whoa, 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 oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Just doing that without even consulting first?
Consulting.
What if I died? Wait, bald. Where's bald emote? Nothing's coming up. Bald. Okay, I'll keep looking for it. Oh, it's this third one. I just look at Jake's and steal from all of his emotes. Added emote. Removed emote froggy chair. Added emote froggy chair. Removed emote froggy chair. No. Why Dish leaving everyone on delivered? I actually do that. Like on my phone I have, oh, you're talking about my honkai. Yeah, you're right. But I almost always have like 10 plus unopened messages on my phone. It's really bad. It's a really bad habit. Jinyan's been on delivered for days. He's triple text me and I just ignore. Sorry, so sorry. No, my missions tab is starting to look like my quest tab in Genshin. How did this happen? How did we get here? I don't know! I swear I had barely any, and then the patch happened, and now I'm here. You know what? Honestly, I'm gonna open my Discord and see who I have not responded to. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, these are important too. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my gosh, there's so many here that I forgot about. Oh, this is actually way worse than I thought. I am a horrible person. How does anyone work with me? Thank goodness to have a manager who does this stuff. Rock, paper, scissors with me.
Oh.
Yeah!
This is rigged. I don't have that.
Yes, you do. It's in gestures.
No, I only have the high five one. Oh. This is rigged.
Now you're thinking with stupidity.
How many voice lines does she have?
I hope a lot.
Now you're just not thinking.
Yeah, we're not.
I'm starting to think giving you arms was a big mistake.
Oh, she's so mean.
Wait, dance. Yeah.
Are you broken?
Wait.
It looks like you're malfunctioning.
Oh my god.
You're doing a great job of disappointing me.
Okay, I think we continue.
That was not hard. Definitely not. Garuda was way harder. You know what? I knew as soon as I said it that was a stupid thing to say.
I have an idea.
Why don't you drop these and then we can kill them all?
Ow, ow. No, here's my better idea. Shred him. Okay. I saw a speedrunner do that. That's not how it works, though.
Hey. Stop.
More important to you.
Stop. Stop.
You're jumping into it.
You're moving it around. Kill the last one. For goodness sake. Here's your head pat. Oh, there were a lot of head pat redeems. Ace, here's yours. But I'll send your points back. Penguin. Pat. Head pat redeem is so cute. It's pretty cute. You could also go full immersion and go like this. Wait, I have to not see it, right? Kish pat. Ah! That made me jump. Stop! That was a... Sorry, Sid. Torgo's move was way cooler than yours. Good boy.
No, I think we get the cube first.
Okay.
So just come down.
But I... Oh. You thought you could kill me.
Wait, that's gotta be a bug. Dude.
Oh, I'm stuck in here.
Grab... Oh my god, it doesn't reach. I just see your portal gun sticking out.
I'm stuck. Help me! Help me!
Patience.
No!
Almost there.
Whoa. Ken, thank you for the tier 1. Sophie.
On this one. Explains why there's a premium on Imperials. Maybe I should up your rations, build you up a bit. Bet you'd love another bowl of Martha's best, wouldn't you?
Are you talking to me? Are you talking to Clive? Oh my gosh. Wow, alright. Thanks, PlayStation. Shoo. Critical error. Stop, 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 stop. Give me that.
No! Back to me. No!
No!
Shoot! Shoot her!
It
Shoot
won't
her!
shoot while you're just holding it. And
Searching.
all right, now.
Stop! Oh my god, I feel so bad for this torture.
No, please. Gotta let it go.